welcome to Cocktails in Literature. My name is Justin, and tonight we're going to talk about Tokaji. We'll get to that in a second. We'll be doing this through the book The Golden Compass, which is Philip Pullman's first book in his trilogy, His Dark Materials. This book here, the first one, The Golden Compass, was published in 1995. The first chapter of this book is titled The Decanter of Tokaji, and in the subsequent two novels after this one in the trilogy, Tokaji is mentioned and drank and enjoyed, and I thought it appropriate to discuss it. Once upon a time, Tokaji was one of the most important wines in the world. It is from Hungary, and what they do is they let botrytis, which is a noble rot, affect the grapes and the grapevines. And what it does is it makes the natural sugars in the grapes super concentrated. So you have this thick, rich, decadent, delicious dessert wine. Doesn't have to be dessert wine, but it is nice with dessert, as it is, port-esque as far as the Portuguese are concerned, or Sauterne-esque as the French are concerned. But this is Hungary's homage to the dessert wine, the Tokaji. Also sometimes known as Royal Tokaji, because as I said, once upon a time, it was one of the most sought after and important wine varietals on the planet. And it's considered the wine of kings. The czars of Russia loved it. Kings of all kinds in all countries absolutely loved it. And it remained that way for a long, long time. But Tokaji, it's absolutely just delicious. I'm going to have a sip here before we even read an excerpt of The Golden Compass, because I absolutely love it too. Sorry, not sorry. But like I said, Tokaji, rich, decadent, beautiful, sweet. Tokaji with foie gras, just like a Sauterne with foie gras. Stupid how good it is. But back to the book. In His Dark Materials, it is mentioned, Tokaji is mentioned in all three of the novels, and right from the get-go in the first chapter of the first book, The Decanter of Tokaji, it is mentioned as well. There was a knock, and the butler came in with a silver tray bearing a coffee pot and a cup. "Thank you, Wren," said Lord Asriel. "Is that Tokaji I can see on the table?" "The master ordered it decanted especially for you, my lord," said the butler. "There are only 36 bottles left of the 98. All good things pass away." So where Tokaji may not be as fashionable as it once was, as far as a global scale is concerned, it is still available, it is still decadent, it is still delicious, it is still from Hungary, and it is still one of the best wines on the planet, without question. So if you happen to be in your local wine shop and you see a bottle of Tokaji, little pink color, salmon colored-esque, do yourself a favor. Pick up a bottle. Give it a try. I guarantee you'll absolutely love it. Whether it's with foie gras, as I said, or a nice gelato at the end of your meal, or as a liquid dessert, whatever you want to do. But Tokaji, the wine of kings. Salud. And if you happen to like this video, if you like other videos like it, please subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Send me some feedback. Let me know if there are any cocktails that you want to see, any wine you want me to talk about, any books you want me to discuss. Hit me up. Let me know. And read some books, enjoy some cocktails, get some Tokaji and enjoy that as well. And I'll see you next time.